Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be trying the viral frozen gummy bears. So the ingredients that you're going to need is Sprite, and I also have the Haribo gummy bears. I have a limited edition strawberry flavor and also the Star Mix. Okay guys, so here are my strawberry gummy bears, the limited edition, and the Star Mix had some rings, cherries, Coke bottles, some more gummy bears, and some gummy snakes. Okay guys, so I have a regular Tupperware bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and put some of these gummy bears in and gummy snakes. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and pour my Sprite, and we're just going to pour it until they're all covered up. I poured about 2 cups in. So now I'm just going to place my lid over top, and we're going to go ahead and place them in our fridge for 24 hours. So stay tuned. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours and our gummy bears did increase in size, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is remove them from the soda. And we're going to place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So I just wanted to show you guys. They did double in size, as you can see. Now you want to place them into your freezer for 3 hours. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours and our gummy bears are now frozen. So I'm going to go ahead and give one a try. They're actually pretty good. And this is what the inside looks like. I think the kids would actually enjoy these more. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?